Shamanism is the way of life. Now I can say this is a must known for rich heritage of older civilization. So I'm glad, I'm so blessed I learned this from, I can say from my heart, the best and best teacher in my views. First of all, I want to thank Rashhi ma'am and Arjun sir for such a wonderful experience we have. I am Ashutosh from Chandigarh. I've already done PLR and clinical therapy from here, but the hunger for learning, it's a never-ending hunger for me, especially in the guidance and blessing of Dr. Rashhi Sharma, my spiritual guru, and Arjun sir. Now I've done Shamanism, a foundation course. First of all, I want to say there was so many misconceptions for Shamanism that we believe that it's only related to Tantra and all, but I never think in my wildest dream that Shamanism can be as beautiful as Mother Nature, as like divine, as like my real mother. So it's only possible in the guidance and blessing of only Rashhi Sharma and soul consciousness. And I'm sure I'm saying every word from my heart. If anybody want to query anything regarding, I'm always available. 9914222110. That's my number. Anytime I want to represent soul consciousness, this is the only and only where I feel secure, where I know I have done, I get the right guidance, because in everywhere it's commercial these days. So this is the best journey I ever feel. Shamanism is the way of life. Now I can say. Before I was just thinking shamanism is a tantric kind of practice, but now I can say this is a must known for rich heritage of older civilization. So I'm glad, I'm so blessed I learned this from, I can say from my heart, the best and best teacher in my views. Thank you very much.
Okay, I'll come and act as my ritual.
Yes, very nice. As you feel the presence of sky, reassuring whatever feeling that comes to you, connect with your throne.